here we are. I think by Donald Lattuso's count, it's day 66 of quarantine. I've absolutely gone full on mental. I don't think I've ever had this much facial hair in my life. Ended up on a bidet. And now I'm installing said bidet. And I'm really excited about it. Really super excited about it. I mean, to the point where my hand is trembling. I think this is why you're probably seeing a lot of shakiness, okay? But we did it. We went full on, right? So, to the point where we actually got a new toilet. So, it's an elongated toilet. Cadillac of all toilets. That's what we thought, okay? And quite frankly, we got one that was streamlined down here on the side. Because my 9-year-old can't pee and hit the side of a barn to save his life. And so we thought that would be easier to clean instead of getting all of the nooks and crannies. So this has been a couple week phase-in process, right? So the first week was installing an outlet. And then painting, where you can kind of see right there. You can kind of see like right there. That's where I had to patch the wall and stuff and paint over, okay? And then of course installing the toilet. And now the big day. We actually get to install the bidet. But again, we got a streamlined toilet, right? There's no sides, there's no nooks and crannies. So these holes that you see, it's gonna take somebody with very, very small hands to get inside and to possibly crank down, not crank down, but to get the screws in so that the bidet stays seated. We're gonna see how that goes. We might have to MacGyver this up a little bit, but so far I've got duct tape. We're gonna start, on the lowest threshold of an escalation of force here. We're gonna start with duct tape. Might work our way up to crazy glue. Might have to actually cut the plastic pieces down and use the screws from the original toilet seat. It was a nice toilet seat. Probably the nicest toilet seat I've ever had. But it's not a bidet. It's not heated. It doesn't have something to wash my butt and then warm heat my butt. So, all right, we press on. Okay, so we got the bracket on. Wasn't too bad. But now the fitting is going to be the difficult part.
How do you video? Oh, it's going.
Okay, so we're at this stage here, and I don't think my hand is stuck, but I haven't really tried to get it out yet. I do think I have it tight enough though. All right. Baby girl, you good? Do we got that?
Oh, I think we got it.
You think we got it? Okay, you got the shot?
Mm-hmm.
You got the shot? I can't tighten it anymore with my hands. It's not because
You dance it, girl.
It's not because I couldn't reach it. I could reach it. I couldn't.
Hands enough.
So here we are. We got it all set up. It actually wasn't that bad. It didn't really require any tools. All right, so that was nice. But the whole thing about mounting it to one of these that are like flush to the side there. That was a bad shot. The flush to the side type, right? Ooh, that's a better angle. Right there. Okay, there. Right, where you don't have any nooks or crannies. You can't see the bolts. You can't actually access the nuts that hold this down. I was trying. One expletive today. That's it. Usually, my median is about, I don't know, at least 5 or 6. So one expletive, not bad day. All right. But if I could make a suggestion to Brondell, and if I remember correctly, when I read up on the company before I ordered this, the dude that founded the company went to MIT, and I did not. Right. But this is what came with the original toilet, right? To put the original thing in, along with this, right? So the screw goes down into this, all right? And this holds the stuff into place. There's a little bit of a nut there at the bottom, right? And the rubber washer basically holds it into place so that it doesn't move. If it was going to be too difficult, I probably would have cut that off on the top and then take this round thing and squared it out and actually use it almost as the rectangular washer that it uses in the bracket to hold it into place. I'm glad it did not come to that, but that's probably how I would have done the workaround, because I don't want to go to Home Depot if I don't have to go to Home Depot. Make you stand in line. Yes, you have to wear, I'm all about wearing a mask, but it's the whole standing in line, and quite frankly, not everybody understands the idea of 6 feet apart. So anyway, so I've had it in, it's done 5 minutes. I have no leaks, it's positive. I'm going to plug this in and see if everything works. Okay, so it's the end of the day.
Okay. So it's dance.
Are you playing the repeater game? Okay, so Shamalama Ding Dong. Riley's an idiot. That's a classic. Okay. So it's the end of the day, and we've had the bidet in.
It's the end of the day, and we had the day in. And
Okay. So all right, Riley.
All right, why?
Are we gonna be serious here?
I don't see.
Riley just made stinky farts.
Why does make stinky farts?
At least we could agree on that.
I was really angry on that.
Okay. All right.
That's
So
I'll go.
Or at least there's one person laughing at your jokes.
At least there's one person laughing at your jokes.
Yeah, that's true.
That's you.
Yeah, okay. So we've had it in. Everybody has tried it, and there's been some mixed reviews.
Mixed blue.
So I love it. Of course, I love it.
Of course, I do.
Riley doesn't really like it.
Why doesn't really like it?
Because she either doesn't weigh enough or doesn't have enough surface area on her backside to engage the bidet.
I
So
thought you can.
Okay. All right. So it's almost like it's not usable by kids. However, pause for effect. What are you doing? However, when you apply a little bit more pressure on the seat while she's on it, it did go. She actually did get it to work by herself once. Once by herself. And she was so excited about it.
And she was so excited about it.
She had a squeaky clean tush.
She has squeaky clean tush.
The 9-year-old that can't hit the side of a barn when he stands up and pees. Tried it.
and he got spooked so much he actually leaped off of the toilet and made a huge mess everywhere. Like the water went everywhere.
Can you make it was so excited then tush? Tush, 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 tush,
And I think my wife is ambivalent about it.
tush,
So, okay.
tush, tush.
So that's that. We've had about 4.5 minutes of
That was
Riley
enough.
playing the repeater game. So we're going to say goodbye. Nope, you did not say goodbye. Say goodbye. Hit the yellow. Hit the red. It's red.